Welcome to Source.one's Buyer App tutorial. Let's dive right in. Starting with the home screen, you will find everything you need to make an informed purchase. First, choose the location where you want to buy grades for. Then below, select the polymer type and process technique from the drop-down menus. You will instantly get a list of grades with their MFI details and prices. Alternatively, you can also directly search for a particular grade from the search bar. Don't forget, you can bookmark any grade for future convenience. To check offers of all grades, simply click the Show All Offers button. Select a grade to access the price calculator. Here, you can choose between higher transit time or lower cost and vice versa. Select your payment terms here, and now you can also see the additional credit cost as per selected payment term here. Enter the quantity you wish to order. You can also check the price breakup of your order. Scroll down to check out grade offers from the same go down, potentially reducing freight costs and MOQ restrictions. Click Checkout to see a detailed summary of your order. You can choose your billing entity here. After accepting all our terms and conditions, click on Confirm Order, and you will be taken to a page with a complete view of how your order will be processed. This page will guide you to the flow of our order request acceptance process. Once confirmed, you will be taken to the order page where you can track the live progress of your order. You can now download the invoice of your order and directly call the driver from here to track your order. If you find any discrepancies, you can raise an issue right from here. Remember, there's a help button on every screen for quick assistance with the option for chat or call with us. From here, you can directly chat or talk to your account manager for any issue resolution. You can chat with us directly from the chat button placed on the top right of the home page. Moving to our news section, you can check out the latest industry news and updates in one place. In the media coverage section, find posts like news, podcasts, and more showcasing Source One's industry prominence in the business landscape. You can also check the weekly international price updates for polymers date-wise. In the profile section, you can access location, grade, and personal details of all your entities in one place and also request for any changes. Lastly, under finance details, you will find limits of all your GSTs and other financial information. That's it. Enjoy a streamlined buying experience and stay informed with the latest industry updates. Happy purchasing!